Gonna press out, lift the heels up, drop the pelvis down for a plank. Coming in, lift the toes up. Press out, find your plank. Coming in, lift the toes up. You got this one more time. Pressing out, plank, lift your toes up. All right, now from here, keep your toes down. Find your squat. I want you to press out, lift the heels up, find your plank, and then pike up. Keep your toes down now. Bend the knees, find the squat, press the legs out, allow the heels to come up. Float in with long legs. And then you're gonna squat. Press it out. Heels come up, come in. We got this one more time, thank God. You're gonna squat, press it out, not really. And lift the heels up, and then come in. All right. If you need to come off your wrists or your elbows a little bit, you're gonna miss my hand, feel free. We are gonna come back to that. We have one more thing, but it's a combination. Yeah. So coming back to your position of choice, I'm gonna go through my forearms. All right. From here, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna press out to a plank, lift those heels up. As I come in, I'm gonna lift the toes up for elephant. Then I go ahead and press out again to plank. As I come in, I bend my knees for that squat. And then I press myself out. Heels come up, come in. As I come in, lift the toes up for that elephant. Press out. Coming in with bent knees, get those heels down, find that squat. We got 2 more rounds. Press it out. Heels come up. Long legs come in, toes lift away from the carriage. And again, you can press.
You're gonna be here, now thread underneath here, right? And then reach back. And then thread underneath here, and then reach back up, open it up. Good. So good. Do it, feel good for the body. Nice stretch. Yeah. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Awesome. And then we'll bring it back. Come back. Shake out that arm. Left leg back. Press back to the heels with a nice calf stretch. Right arm is now going to circle up and around. And then bring it through. Up and around. And bring it through. Nice. Look, it's good at that mid upper back. Feels good. I love, again, like I said, I love these rotational stretches and movement, the different joints and different positions. Awesome. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Circle down and around, and it'll come through. Open it up, and now I'll thread it underneath, other side, and then back up, reach. Nice. Underneath, and then bring it back up, reach. Looks good. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Awesome job. There we go. You're gonna feel like $1,000,000 by the end of this, right? Good. 2 more. Good. 1 more. And then relax it back down. So right leg can come back out, left hand, spinal balance, lift it up, exhale in, inhale, lengthen. Exhale in, so a little bit of spinal balance or core here. Breathe, inhale as you lengthen, exhale back. Nice. So we got 3. Good. 2. Nice. 1 more. And then
bring it up onto sorry, not the top of your chair, the top of your pedal. And what I'd like for you to think about here is not too much pressure pulling down, but a little bit so you're hooked, right? So you're hooked with that back leg, you're in slight hip extension if you can, and you're gonna take your arms up to the ceiling. So nice and tall through your body here. I want you to hinge forward from your hips. Your booty's gonna go back a little bit, especially you, Lori Watson. From here, you're gonna come all the way down if you can and touch the floor. If you can only go right above the floor or a foot above the floor, that's totally fine. You're gonna come all the way back up, right? So we're gonna start to heat up the glute and the hamstring, and obviously single leg balance challenge here on your floor leg. Good. We're just doing a few of these on each side to transition us over to the other side. Good, you've got 2 more. Let's do 4 total. So come down, get to the floor if you can. If not, no big deal. And last one here before we switch sides, right? This is where we're gonna find out whether this is
ribs really shift side to side, letting your breath match the movement, making this as slow as you feel is nourishing for you. Then this is going to shift into a circle, letting our ribs circle around, mobilizing the rib cage. Good. Letting the movement match your breath. Lovely. And then we're going to reverse that circle, gliding the ribs around, just checking in, noticing any spots in our vertebral column, right? Within all of those intervertebral segments, like where can we get a little bit more juice there? Letting the head be a part of this all the way to the tailbone. We're gonna come back to center and give yourself a moment now. Look around your room. We're gonna take a little mindfulness moment and really notice the space around you. And normally our gaze might go directly to an object or the wall. That's fine. But let your awareness now also shift to the space around you, the space between you and the wall, in front of you, behind you. Then we're going to take a breath in, letting our arms reach up and feel the breath coming from all of that space. And then let the arms slide back down. Good. And then now we're going to lengthen one arm up and over, breathing into the side that's stretching, and then